Okay, Nigar, where is the bank located?
I have I have absolutely no idea where the bank is located.
Beautiful, correct. Um, why was Andres away yesterday?
I'm not pretty sure. I'm not pretty sure why Andreas was yesterday.
Was away.
Was away, yes.
Yes. Okay, one more, Nigar.
But Andrew, I was in class when you taught this subject.
Yeah, we're reviewing, right?
Oh yes.
Okay. When did Farida buy this car?
Should I answer?
Yeah, yes.
Do you know when Farida bought the car?
Very good. Very good. Okay. So, okay. Now, Nigar, please ask Tanya 3 questions. Okay.
A free question.
Yeah. This one, the next one, number 4.
Um, how much did Betty pay for her car?
Please tell me how much Betty paid for the car.
Next, number 5.
How far can you go?
Please let me know how far uh, you
You.
can go.
Yes. Yeah, because it's rephrasing, right? Number 6.
Who is she looking for?
I have no idea who she is looking for.
Okay. Uh, Tanya. Tanya asked. Okay, let me see on the side because I want to give chance to the people who came early, right? So, Radha, can you hear me? Radha, no? Okay, you know what? Let me just follow the list. Okay, Vishnu, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, Vishnu, Tanya is gonna ask you 3 questions. Okay, Tanya, go.
How often does your mom shop?
I really don't know how often your mom shop,
Shops.
shops.
Yeah, it's okay. It should be my, okay? How I really don't know
Oh,
how
sorry.
often
Yeah,
my mom
yeah.
shops.
I really don't know how often my mom shops.
Okay, number 8, Tanya, ask Radha.
What can she get for $100?
I, I Miss, I'm not very sure what can
No,
what
no, no,
what she can get for $100.
correct. Okay, one more, Tanya.
Why is Joanna upset?
No, oh, Tanya, one more time.
Why is Joanna upset?
I have no clue why Johanna upsets
No, is upset.
is upset.
Yes, okay. Tanya, because this is the last one, just ask Radha one more time.
And Vishnu teacher. Which
Vishnu, sorry.
it's okay.
Tanya.
Which one do you prefer?
I'm not sure anymore which one I prefers.
There. Huh? I
I'm
prefer. No
yeah
S.
prefers.
No S. I prefer.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah,
Yeah, Vishnu, you add S only when you see does, right?
yeah.
But there is
Sorry,
no
I
does.
forget. Yeah.
Okay. So next, let's have um, Eva and Hanan. Eva and Hanan, you're gonna do everything on the slide. This one and this one. Okay.
Okay.
So Eva, you ask Hanan.
Where is Anna, Hanan?
I have no idea where Anna is.
Where is Anna going?
I have no clue where Anna is going.
Where is Anna going tomorrow morning?
I can't remember where Anna is going tomorrow morning.
Continue.
Why does Tapan work on weekends?
I don't understand why Tapan works on weekend.
Why do your parents live in a small town?
I'm not very sure why my parents live in a small town.
Why did Hanan call Vadim?
I don't know why Hanan called Vadim.
I know. They love each other.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. Hanan, your voice is beautiful there. And you know, Eva, you have
Yes.
energy today, Eva. I like
I
it.
wasn't worked
You
that
know.
long like always.
Okay. You had more time to
Yes.
relax, right? Yes. Okay, next, Jethro and Jose. Jethro and Jose, please do the next slide. Okay, so you're gonna do everything. Okay, here, a question and answer.
Okay. Is Hanan Lebanese?
I have no idea if Lebanese.
Was Vadim away yesterday?
I have no clue if Vadim was away yesterday.
Will Tanya be at the party tonight?
I can't remember if Tanya will be at the party tonight.
Does Tapan like seafood?
I'm not sure if Tapan likes seafood.
Did Olena visit Susan last week?
I really don't know. Is Olena busy Susan last week?
Have your parents seen Avatar?
I don't know if they have seen Avatar.
Must David take a driving test?
I have absolutely no idea if David must take a driving test.
Okay. Just pronunciation. Jethro and Jose, you say must, not must. 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 Jethro, can you say must?
Must.
Yes. And Jose, can you say must take?
Must take.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Next, Lol, answer the first
Yes,
one.
Andrew.
Lol, is Andrew an English teacher?
Do you ask me or I have to do it?
No. I'm reading the question, and then you will answer. I have
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay.
Lol, is Andrew an English teacher?
I have absolutely no idea. Andrew is my English teacher.
No. Lol. It's a yes, no question. You need if.
Okay. Yes, okay.
Okay, one more time. Lol, is Andrew an English teacher?
Yes, Andrew is my English.
No, Lol. Oh my God. Okay, Lol, please rest. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
You are okay. Ali, are you ready?
Yes, I hear.
Lol, please listen to Ali. Ali, is Andrew an English teacher?
I have absolutely no idea if Andrew is an English teacher.
You got it, Lol? Lol, you have to use the sentence below.
Okay.
We did this yesterday. Okay, Lol, do you want to do the second one?
Okay.
Lol, are those students from Brazil?
I am not pretty sure if
Those?
this student is from Brazil.
No. Okay. Lol, you forgot the lesson. You have to switch, right?
Okay. I am
Okay.
not
Are
sure.
those students
Really
from
sure.
Brazil?
I'm not pretty sure this student
Are?
are from Brazil.
Yes. So, Lol, the answer is I am not pretty sure if those students are from Brazil. You've got to speak it with confidence. I am not pretty sure if
I'm
those
not
students
pretty
are from
sure.
Brazil. Okay, one more time.
I am not pretty sure those students are from Brazil.
If you forgot if, yeah, you know, Lol, we did this, right? We
Yeah.
did this, remember? Yes,
Sorry.
no. If the question is a yes, no
No.
question, you need
Yeah.
if in the middle.
Okay.
One more time. Lol, are those students from Brazil?
I'm not pretty sure Those
If.
students are from Brazil.
Yes. Okay. Next, Negar, you're next. And then Olena, and then Rada. Rada, can you hear me?
Yes, good afternoon, teacher.
Because I asked you 2 times and you did not answer.
I
Okay.
didn't hear before.
Yeah, and then yeah, everybody, that's what I don't like when I ask people and then they don't answer, and then I pass them, they fight with me. Remember what happened last Monday? I asked this lady and she did not answer, and so I passed her, right? Okay, so we are recording. Okay, so Muhammad Nagar, you're next.
Okay. Okay.
Nagar, was Johnny actually? Lol, please read the question.
Okay.
Ask your question.
No, Lol will read the question to
Okay.
you.
Was Johnny absent yesterday?
No, yesterday?
Yesterday. Was Johnny absent yesterday?
Nagar, answer. Nagar.
Do you know if Johnny was absent yesterday?
Yes. That was the lesson yesterday, Nagar. I taught the students to use if it is a yes no question. Okay, Nagar, ask Olena the next question.
Sure. Does Helen speak French?
Please tell me, Helen speaks French.
Oh, you forgot something. Okay, one more time, Nagar.
Does Helen speak French?
Carefully.
Please tell me if Helen speaks French.
Yeah, you forgot it earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, Olena, ask Rada. Rada.
Please tell me if.
Okay, Olena, go.
Did Lena see the movie John Wick?
Please let me know if Lena see the movie.
Saw.
Okay. Please tell me no. Lena saw the movie John Wick.
Okay, now Rada, the C becomes saw because of did.
Okay.
Yeah, you got it?
Yes.
So you will say, please let me know if Lena, okay, please let me know if Lena saw the movie John Wick. John Wick. You've got to go down. Okay. Please let me know if Lena saw the movie John Wick. Okay, go.
Please let me know Lena saw the movie John Wick.
If.
If Lena saw the movie John Wick.
One more time.
Please let me know Lena saw the Sorry. Please let me know if Lena saw the movie John Wick.
Be careful, Rada. Okay, so Rada, ask Shamila the next question.
Has Jennifer left the office?
I have no idea. Jennifer.
No, if.
If?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
If
Jennifer leaves.
Has left.
Has left the office.
Okay, one more time.
I have no idea if Jennifer has left the office.
Yes. So yeah, Shamila, because you were absent yesterday, that was our lesson yesterday. How to use if in the middle when the question is a yes no question. Okay. So I accidentally passed Rika. Shamila, ask Rika the next question. Shamila, please read the question.
Have your tenants paid the rent?
I really paid the rent.
No, one more time, Rika. You were cut.
Okay. I really don't have a. No, oh, sorry. I really don't know if your tenants have paid the rent. That's okay.
Yeah, okay. Or my, right? My.
Oh, on my.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Rika asked Rosa. Rosita.
Yes, teacher. Sorry, my yeah.
Okay. Okay. Rosa. Rika asked Rosa.
Okay. Can your children play soccer? No,
No, Scrabble.
Scrabble. Can your children play Scrabble?
I am not sure if my children can play Scrabble.
Very good, Rosa. Rosa
Yeah.
ask Tanya.
Will Diane call you tomorrow?
I have no clue if Diana will call you tomorrow.
Call me.
Call me tomorrow.
Okay, Tanya ask Tatiana.
Should we inform Amanda?
I'm not sure anymore if we should inform Amanda. Sorry.
Okay. Tatiana. Vadim and Wiria. Vadim and Wiria, you will do everything. Okay? This and this. Okay. Vadim, question.
Where is Layla?
I have no idea where she's.
When are you leaving?
I am not sure when we are leaving.
Why was Andres absent during the meeting?
I really don't know why Andres was upset during the meeting.
How much were the apple?
I've forgotten how much the apples were.
When do you normally go grocery shopping?
I am not sure when I normally go grocery shopping.
Why doesn't she visit in Montreal every summer?
I have no clue who she visits in Montreal every summer.
How long did you take Julio to get to Ottawa last weekend?
I really don't know how long it took Julio to get to Ottawa last weekend.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so Vadim, just to remind you, it's Julio.
Julio.
Yeah, because it's a Spanish name, right?
Oh,
The
yeah.
Spanish name, everybody, you do not change to English when you pronounce. You have to pronounce them as a Spanish, because Spanish is a very strong language around the world. Okay, in English, there are two languages that we do not change the pronunciation. When we talk about names, that's French and Spanish.
French and Spanish. Okay.
And sometimes, Italian. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we're done with our review. We're gonna do. Okay. Let me stop sharing. Okay. We're gonna do. Okay. I did not write the plan today. Okay. Just a second. Okay. Let me just see what I did. Okay.